Panhard Levassor Type A 2026 is a fascinating car that reflects a harmonious blend of classic automotive heritage and modern engineering. Its exterior design is immediately striking, combining elements of vintage charm with sleek, contemporary aesthetics. The front fascia is characterized by a refined grille that pays homage to the brand's historical design language, while the sharp LED headlamps bring it firmly into the modern era. Subtle chrome accents add a layer of sophistication without being overly flashy, perfectly balancing elegance with functionality. From the side profile, the Type A 2026 exudes a streamlined silhouette with flowing lines that enhance aerodynamics while maintaining a visual connection to its predecessors. The alloy wheels, available in several distinct designs, complement the overall aesthetic, adding a bold and dynamic flair. At the rear, the design is equally impressive, with LED tail lights that feature a unique light signature, ensuring the car stands out whether in motion or at a standstill. The clean, uncluttered look of the rear is enhanced by the placement of the exhaust outlets, which are neatly integrated into the bumper for a polished finish. The choice of paint options reflects a commitment to quality and individuality, offering a range of colors from timeless classics to vibrant contemporary shades. This car's exterior isn't just about aesthetics. It also incorporates cutting-edge technology, such as active aerodynamics that adjust based on driving conditions to optimize performance and efficiency. Step inside, and the Panhard at Levassor Type A 2026 welcomes you with an interior that redefines luxury and comfort. High-quality materials are evident throughout, with soft touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and wood or metal accents depending on the chosen trim level. The seating is meticulously designed for comfort and support, featuring multiple adjustment options, memory settings, and heating, cooling, or massage functions for the front seats. The rear seating is equally plush, offering ample legroom and a recline function that ensures passengers are as comfortable as those in the front. The dashboard layout emphasizes simplicity and accessibility, with a large touchscreen infotainment system as its centerpiece. The system is highly intuitive, offering seamless integration with smartphones via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a host of built-in applications for navigation, music, and vehicle settings. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, allowing drivers to prioritize information such as speed, navigation, or fuel economy. Ambient lighting further enhances the cabin's ambiance with a spectrum of colors to suit every mood or occasion. Storage and practicality have not been overlooked. The Type A 2026 features a spacious trunk that can easily accommodate luggage for a weekend getaway, while numerous compartments throughout the cabin provide convenient storage for smaller items. The panoramic sunroof adds a sense of openness to the interior, flooding the cabin with natural light during the day and offering a view of the stars at night. Advanced climate control ensures a pleasant environment regardless of the weather outside, with multiple zones allowing for personalized temperature settings for each passenger. Performance is where the Panhard at Levassor Type 2026 truly shines. Under the hood, it offers a choice of powertrains to suit a variety of driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers a fine balance of power and efficiency, making it ideal for everyday driving. For those seeking more exhilaration, optional V6 engine provides a significant boost in horsepower and torque, ensuring thrilling acceleration and robust performance in any scenario. Both engines are paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission that offers responsive gear changes for an engaging driving experience. The Type A 2026 also incorporates advanced driving dynamics with features such as adaptive suspension and dynamic stability control, ensuring a smooth and confident ride. The steering is precise and responsive, making it a joy to maneuver through tight city streets or winding country roads. Braking performance is equally impressive, with a high-performance braking system that provides consistent and reliable stopping power under all conditions. For drivers seeking an even sportier experience, the vehicle offers customizable drive modes that adjust the engine, transmission, and suspension settings to match the desired level of performance. Safety is a top priority in the Panhard at Levassor Type 2026, which is equipped with an array of advanced safety features to protect occupants and enhance driving confidence. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A surround view camera system provides a comprehensive view of the car's surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. The car also includes driver attention monitoring and road sign recognition, ensuring that the driver remains focused and informed at all times. The price of the Panhard Levassor Type A 2026 reflects its premium positioning in the market. Starting at a competitive price point, the base model offers excellent value for the level of sophistication and performance it provides. Higher trims with more powerful engines and additional luxury features naturally command a higher price, but remain competitive within their segment. Optional packages allow buyers to further customize their vehicle, adding features such as advanced driver assistance systems, upgraded audio systems, or bespoke interior finishes. In summary, the Panhard at Levassor Type A 2026 is a remarkable vehicle that blends timeless design with state-of-the-art technology and engineering. Its exterior is a testament to thoughtful design,